Hello friends, today's topic Nifty now at 19,543. Three reasons for the correction. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. Since Nifty touched its lifetime high in mid-September, it has been in consolidation mode. There has been no major fall as such, but it has been slowly trending downwards. Many individual stocks, especially large cap stocks, have corrected by 5 to 10% in the last 1 month. There are few major reasons for the slow fall in Indian stock market in the last few days. It's good to be aware of the reasons so that you can approach markets accordingly. Now, some of the reasons for the market's fall in the last few days. Number one, Israel-Hamas war. Due to the war between Israel and Hamas group, stock markets have been tense for the last few days. Although the war is restricted to Israel and Gaza region, as of now, there are concerns that it could spread to Egypt, Syria, Jordan, etc. If the war spreads for whatever reasons, then the geopolitical situation will force FIIs to sell stocks in Indian and global stock market, hence lead to further weakness in the markets. Number two reason is high US bond yields. US bond yields are at a 16-year high. This means that bonds are available at attractive prices and the bond yield is around 5%. So the institutional investors can easily get 5% returns if they invest in US bonds currently. This is the reason for FIIs to sell in Indian market since they are finding US markets more attractive because of the present uncertainty in the global stock markets. In some situations in the short term, earning fixed returns looks better than variable returns. US Federal Reserve has announced that they plan to keep interest rates high for some more time, which will make US bonds more attractive as an investment. Now the third reason, lower than expected quarterly results. The quarterly results which have been announced so far, the large companies have been slightly dull and many of them have been below expectations. So this may result in short-term pessimism towards such stocks and hence could lead to further market consolidation. Now here is an announcement regarding free webinar. Topic: how to create massive passive income from stock market. It is happening on Sunday 22nd October 10 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. and Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates need not attend. Seats are limited to the first 150 people on first come first serve basis. It is always said that if you are not going to get some money when you are sleeping, then you have to work all your life to be able to earn your livelihood and the money for your expenditure. And hence the question is how much money you are earning when you are sleeping and how much passive income you are getting. I hope you know the difference between passive and active income. And passive income is the money that you get while you are sleeping and active income is the money that you get while working actively in the office. Now, what are you going to learn in this webinar? First of all, understanding the profitability of the stock market. Many people are blissfully unaware of the profits in the stock markets. They think stock market means loss. So that means you must have multiple sources of income. How to design pension income is the second topic. And if you can get some 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees in pension after 5 or 10 or 15 years of some work, that is always welcome. Third topic is how to make children education and marriage absolutely free. And fourth topic, how to create huge wealth for retirement. How to register for our webinar? Very simple. Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with your name, mobile number, and in the subject column, kindly type stock market webinar. Once you come to the webinar, you will feel good and you will feel miserable that you did not attend all these days. I am hoping that on Sunday you will come and you will take the benefit and the webinar is going to happen in Kannada. Now continuing the matter of the video. Please note that the movement of stock market in the short term is based on the news and sentiment and how investors react to it. If you can assess whether the reason for the fall in stock market is due to short term or long term factors, you will be able to decide how to approach your investments. So focus on the fundamentals of the company. The daily price fluctuations are important only for short term investors and also to know what investments are worth as on a particular day. In short term, stock prices may not reflect the correct fundamentals of the company always. Here is a small announcement. Video at 8 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan Chandra channel, and the topic is 1 minute stock market class on ಷೇರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಲಾಭಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. Link is in the description box below. At the end of the video, here is a question. What percentage of your total assets is in stock markets? Type the percentage in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.